Good evening. Now in this video we are going to discuss the rotational casting. Which process? Rotational casting. You see, there are 4 stages in rotational casting. First one, clamping the mold. Now see here, this is the mold. Okay, so in this mold the polymeric material is placed. See, the arm is attached here to this vertical portion. This is the vertical arm. This is rotating about its axis, about its x-axis. It is rotating, and this spot is rotating about its vertical axis. Okay, so second one, heating the mold. Now when the polymeric material is placed in the mold, what we do, we start heating the mold. You see here the directions are shown. Heat is applied to the mold. Therefore what will happen, the polymeric material which is placed, it will be melted at high temperature. So at that time this arm is rotated about its axis, and this rotation of the arm about its axis is known as x-axis rotation, and this part is rotated about its horizontal axis, and this rotation is known as y-axis rotation. This is the second stage, which is known as heating the mold. Third, see, after heating what will happen, now cooling process is required. So either cooling is done by spraying the coolants through the nozzles, or either by means of the fan, or either by natural circulation of the air. You see here, these are the various ways to cool the heated mold. You see here. So this is cooling process. So after a certain time what will happen, already I told you, after the cooling, solidification of that liquid polymer, okay, takes place. And when this, because of the rotation of this arm and this part, what will happen, the liquid polymer material will be thrown on the inner walls of the mold. You see here. And after cooling what will happen, they remain on the inner walls of the mold and they get solidified. And after the solidification what will happen, you see here, this is the solidified part which is taken out of the mold. So this is known as final part. It is known as demolding. What is meant by demolding? Removing the solidified part from the mold. This is known as demolding. Okay, thank you.